So after I initially installed the Facebook Marketplace Turbo Kit, took it to X Performance to have Carlos tune it. We realized at 3,500, 4,000 RPMs, we were running out of fuel with the stock injectors, so we ordered 525cc injectors. He replaced those. The stock clutch was slipping, so he swapped out a better clutch. Then he could actually put it on the dyno machine because he trusted the clutch to hold. So stay tuned for the numbers. I am very stoked given the type of kit and basically a stock motor. It's going to be a rowdy little machine. So here's the dyno results, 243.6 horsepower, call it 240. A stock D16 with VTEC makes about 125, so we added about 120 horsepower for a $400 Facebook Marketplace kit, plus some other parts and some tuning. Beyond stoked, beyond stoked. While I was there, I checked out my Prelude. This is going to be way more than that. This is not a budget build, unfortunately, which is why it's taking longer, but H22, sleeved, forged pistons, Turbo Smart, turbo parts. We're actually rebuilding Carlos is rebuilding the manifold because the cast manifold just doesn't give us enough air. So stand by for that one. Have a good one.